Welcome back. Today we are talking about the new Grand Tornado from Scythe. After this year, Scythe finally released the fan that can complete with Noctua A12. I mean, Wonder Snail and Case Flex both are good fans, but they have different product position from Noctua A12. The Grand Tornado has two versions, 2000 RPM and 3000 RPM. And there exists another non-LCP version called Wonder Tornado. Their difference is definitely more than that, but let's just talk about MSRP first. Both 2000 RPM and 3000 RPMs takes $20 US on Amazon, and the Wonder Tornado costs $10 on Amazon. You can get similar prices on Amazon Japan. However, I must talk about the price in my location. The 2000 RPM versions of Grand Tornado cost 890 New Taiwan dollars. The 3000 versions of Grand Tornado cost 990 New Taiwan dollars. Even more, the Wonder Tornado costs 690 New Taiwan dollars. Twice the prices. This is totally insane. I have no idea what's going on here. Now, talk about the bearing and the shape of Grand Tornado. I've heard rumors says that the Grand Tornado is another collaboration of Nidec and Scythe. I'm not sure if this is true because I can't find any Nidec mark on Grand Tornado. Rumor also says that the Grand Tornado is an improved version of Gentle Typhoon. I can't ensure that either since I didn't hold a Gentle Typhoon. The bearing of these fans are weird. You can feel the vibration even if you just use your hand to rotate the fans. However, I can't hear any bearing noise even if I put my ear on the fan. So definitely don't take the pad off or you'll get an oscillator. The shape of Grand Tornado is similar to Noctua A12 and Gentle Typhoon. Still, there are some differences between them. Grand Tornado has a little bit larger blade compared to Noctua A12 and a bit thicker from the middle of the blade. The quality of Grand Tornado is pretty good. This is also the first LCP fans I hold it. Even compared to Noctua A12, I can barely classify which one has better quality. Compare the package of Grand Tornado and Noctua A12. I would say the package of Grand Tornado is not bad, but definitely Noctua A12 win in this subject. Of course, because the price of Noctua A12 is higher. There are one extension cable and one downspeed cable and some screw including in the package. The downspeed cable can decrease the maximum rotation speed to 1200 RPMs. We finally get into the testing part. The test bench will be shown on here. CPU is a Zen 3 Ryzen 5 and the AL cooler is from Fantex. And beware, there is only one fan installed on the AL cooler through all testing. The maximum CPU power is around 85 watt. Running on Cinebench, we can see that all three fans have similar thermal performance at maximum speed. Still, the noise level of M25 DRGB has significant differences compared to Noctua A12 and Grand Tornado. Grand Tornado has similar noise level maximum speed with Noctua A12. We can also see that at lower rotation speed, Noctua A12 has better noise level performance, but the Grand Tornado also performing well here, sticking with the Noctua. We still cannot find out which one is the better fan even we compare them with the noise normalized thermal performance. I think this is because this CPU is not a power consuming CPU. To sum up the result, I would say that the Grand Tornado is a high-end fan with same level of Noctua NF-A12. I understand someone will think these words are rubbish, but think about the price of Grand Tornado is 2/3 of Noctua NF-A12. Also, this fan is made of LCP. which remains a chance of longer service life and better quality compared to other fans. As for warranty, I think warranty is different from regions, but in my location, the warranty of Grand Tornado is 3 years. I don't think 3 years is enough for this high-end product precision. I'll just hope it won't break after 3 years. There's another pro if you compare Grand Tornado to Noctua and FA12. That is, if you don't want to buy the special color of Noctua, you have no need to add more money buy the Chromax version, just buy this fan instead. So this is the end of the video, and that's all I want to talk about with Grand Tornado. This is the first time I try this kind of video, so if there's any wrong information or anything you want to inform me, just leave a comment below and I will know. Thank you for watching, I will see you in next time.